Hello and welcome to measurements test 6 here. So before we do any form of measurements, we need to know exactly what these measurements mean. So let's write these down first of all. So we know that in 1 hour, there are exactly 60 minutes. And in 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. Let's have a look at some more measurements. So in 1 liter, so a liter is the measure of liquid, we have 1,000 milliliters. In 1 kilogram, and remember, kilogram is mass or measuring weight, we have 1,000 grams. In 1 meter, again, meter is distance, we have 100 centimeters. And in 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeters. Okay, so these measurements tell you about time. This measurement here tells you about the amount of liquid. So for example, a liter of milk. And here this tells us weight or mass. Meter, again, we've got distance. And then with centimeters, we are measuring distance as well. So you'll need these measurements to be able to answer the following questions. So you need to write these measurements down if you don't know them already, and then try the questions as you go along. So let's just have a look at the first question. It says 2.5 hours. So we know in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. So for 2.5 hours, we'll have 60 minutes plus 60 minutes, that's 2 hours. And a half of 60, so half an hour is going to be 30 minutes. And we just have to add these up now. So 60 add 60 is going to be 120. And 120 add 30 minutes will be 150 minutes altogether. So in this case, 2.5 hours makes 150 minutes. But in this exercise, you've got various different types of measurements that you need to answer these questions. Good luck with these, and we'll follow these up in our next lesson. Thank you.